Outside Area Removal. In this task, you select the tool and set the parameters. Disable all datum display types. Select the Turn tab. Click Area Turning from the Turning group. In the dashboard, select the drop-down arrow next to the No Tool box and select 01 Outside Rough. Select the Parameters tab. Edit Cut Feed to 50. Edit Step Depth to 0.1. Edit Spindle Speed to 500. In this task, you define the tool motions. Select the Tool Motions tab. Select Area Turning Cut. Click Turn Profile from the Geometry Group drop-down menu. In the dashboard, click Use Surfaces. Press Ctrl and select the two surfaces as shown. Click Apply Changes. In the Area Turning Cut dialog box, set the Start extension to positive Z. Set the End extension to positive X. Click Apply Changes. In the dashboard, click Display Toolpath. Click Play from the Play Path dialog box. You can slide the display speed arrow right or left to speed up or slow down the toolpath display. Click Close from the Play Path dialog box. In this task, you change a parameter that controls rough stock allowance. Select the Parameters tab. Click Edit Machining Parameters. In the Edit Parameters of Sequence dialog box, select the All button if necessary. Edit Rough Stock Allow to 0.05. Click OK. Click Named Views from the In-Graphics toolbar and select Front. In the dashboard, click Display Toolpath. Click Play from the Play Path dialog box. Click Close from the Play Path dialog box. The Rough Stock Allow parameter defaults to 0. It is a good practice to leave stock for a cleanup pass. Click Apply Changes from the dashboard. This completes the demonstration.